New charges detail a multi-million-dollar fraud scheme to steal money meant to help the homeless. Federal prosecutors indicted 8 people today for defrauding the now-shuttered Housing Stabilization Services program. They say the defendants stole more than $8 million by charging Medicaid to help find people housing, but never did.
A lot of anger that public resources that were intended to support vulnerable people ended up lining somebody's pockets, and those people didn't get those services, and that's just unacceptable.
Federal investigators say this is just the tip of the iceberg, and there will be more charges. Meanwhile, the misused money leaves a housing crisis unsolved. New at 10, Ubah Ali talks with one provider who says they're paying the price for widespread fraud.
The level of fraud in these programs is staggering.
In the rush to crack down on fraud,
we are dealing with real people. It's sad.
Providers like Emil Aya in Brooklyn Center say the people who need help are stuck in the middle.
I just got a fax, like I said, this is a fax that came in, this is the 16th for a new referral. What am I going to do with this individual?
DHS is scrambling to put a lid on what prosecutors call a massive fraud scheme targeting Minnesota's Housing Stabilization Services program. So when you hear someone is making millions,
it's unbelievable. With this program, there is no oversight.
The 8 people charged Thursday accused of stealing money from the program and investing in real estate and leasing luxury cars. State officials say there's 120 active investigations and 115 payment withholdings in a program with more than 1,000 providers. Aya says this scandal taints the good work by providers like him.
It is hurting for some of us that are actually working with these clients and we know what they're going through.
Simply put, he believes DHS failed to put proper safeguards against fraud in place to begin with.
When they come up with programs, they should really think about it. You know, I'm sure they have professionals in the department to find out how can we make such a program secure.
In Brooklyn Center, Ubah Ali, WCCO News.
State officials say some housing providers will continue operations until the program is terminated, but they have not said exactly when that will be.